Hello dear students, very good morning to you all. In today's class I teach you one more C program, that is write a C program to find square as well as cube of the entered number. That means whenever we run a program we get one message on the screen like this: enter a number, enter a number. That means program is waiting for user's input. Now being a user of this program, I give the input as 5. Then I press enter key. Given input is 5. As per given input, I get square of 5 is 25. Square of 5 is 25, as well as I get cube of 5 is 125. This program you need to write. To this program we are giving one input as 5. We are getting two outputs as 25 and 125. That means you need to calculate two results. One is square, one more is cube. Now we discuss how to write this program. If you want to write any program, as you know already, first you need to include which header file. I hope everyone knows. Hash include stdio.h, standard input and output header file. Afterwards void main, my main function started here. Think all of you, to solve this problem how many memories we need. We need one memory as n, so that we can store the entered number 1. I need one more memory as answer 1, in which I store square of the entered number. I need one more memory as answer 2, in which I store the second result. Now I need 3 memories to store integer type of data. That's why I use which data type? Int. Name of the first memory is n, name of the second memory is answer 1, name of the third memory is answer 2. All these three are called, you can call these as variables also. I write a comment here. These are the 3 variables. Of which type? Of int type. Int type means what? You can store integer values inside. This is not an instruction, this is a comment line. Whenever others will read my program, they come to know that programmer has defined 3 variables of which type? Integer type. Writing comments is optional. You may write or you may not. Okay, I will delete it. I'm going to delete it. Once I allocate the 3 memories, I clear the screen. Means this instruction will clear the screen. Then I print the message on terminal. Enter a number. That means this message will be displayed on monitor, terminal. Afterwards, how to read 2 numbers already you know. We write %d twice in double quote, where you store the, we are reading one number. To read one number, %d we write once, address of n. Whatever the number I enter, that will be stored in n. Okay, assume that entered number is 5, where the 5 will be stored in n. How to calculate the answer 1? You have to multiply same n with n only. That means we get square. If you multiply n with n only 3 times, what we are going to get? Cube we are going to get. Next we have, inside the answer 1 we have square, inside the answer 2 we have cube. You have to print it on terminal. How to print? Printf bracket double quote /n, means cursor moves to next line. Square of one value is another value. These %d are called data specifiers or format specifiers. First %d is for which memory? N. Second %d is for which variable? Answer 1. That means we get, if the entered number is 5, we get square of 5 is 25. Next what I do, I go for printf, again bracket double quote slash n, I type cube of percentage d is percentage d, that means n comma answer 2. Next you need to wait so that the user can read the result. That's why we use get character input function. Machine is waiting for one input. I hope everyone has understood. Have you understood? Yeah, very good. I explain slowly. This is one program. Here my program started. Here my program completed. Okay. Here I allocated 3 memories. Means 3 variables I defined. First variable is what is the name of first memory? N. Okay. What is the name of second memory? Second memory name is answer 1, answer 2. That's all. N, answer 1, answer 2. Screen clears. This message will be printed on terminal, and we read a number. We find square. We find cube. We print square as well as cube. I hope everyone has understood. Now practically I run the program and I will show you. Now in order to run this program, you have to start the C software. Double click on that. You need to wait for few seconds. We get the editor, and what you need to do, you need to take one new file. How to take a new file? You have to go for which menu? You have to go for file menu. In the file menu we have new. We got the new file here. Then hash include standard input output header file. Afterwards void main. Next integer type n, answer 1, answer 2. Then clear the screen. Okay. Then get ch. Okay. Now this program includes how many instructions? 3. Now I save the program. I go for save. I write the prg5.c. Now machine allocates 3 memories. Screen clears and waits. Run it. Run menu. Control F9 is the shortcut key. You can press, no problem. Now program is executed. Memories are allocated. Screen is cleared. Get ch. It is waiting. Program is not fully completed. Once I clear the screen, I tell a computer system to print this message. Enter a number. Now machine will clear and machine will print. See here. Memories are allocated. Screen cleared. Printed. And get ch. But machine is not reading a number. Scanf, scan formatted data. I am reading one value, address of %n, address of the memory. If you want to store a value, we need address. Now run it. Memories are allocated, screen is cleared, message is printed, it is waiting for input. 5 is stored in n. Okay, we have not calculated. Calculate it now. Answer 1 equals to n into n. Answer 2 equals to n into n into n. Now you have to printf /n square of %d is %d. First is for n, second is for answer 1. Similarly, printf bracket double quote /n cube of %d is %d. First is for n, second is for answer 2. Then okay. Now file, F2 is for save, and Alt R, run it. If I enter 4, square of 4 is 16, cube of 4 is 64. Very good. We developed a program. We have written a program. This is what we call output. Now run the program once again. Give the input as 10. Square of 10 is 100. Cube of 10 is 1000. Run the program. 2. Square of 2 is 4. Cube of 2 is 8. Once you developed the software, test it by giving different set of inputs. 7. Yes. If it is giving correct results, then release in the market or give to the client or the customer. This is how to write the program. I hope everyone has understood. Now I solve this one. I do some modifications. I will not give the semicolon here. Okay, see, compile. I'm getting error, missing semicolon, so you have to give semicolon here. Okay, like that, read the error messages. Now what I do, I give comma here, I write in a single line, answer 1 equals to n1 n into n answer. You can write like this also, then also it works, no problem. The choice is yours. How do you write the program? You are the programmer. You can write it, I give the names like here square, SQ and CU. I give the names like SQ for square, CU for cube. Instead of answer 1, what we need to write here, can you tell me? SQ memory, SQ variable. Here you write CU variable. Then where is the square? Square is available in SQ. Some students will come in confusion. What they do, some students will imitate like teachers. Whatever the teachers will use the names, those names only they use. Don't like that. Don't do like that. Come up with your own idea. Give appropriate names. That's all. Now run the program. It works. Just whatever you define, no, same names you need to use. I hope everyone has understood. Now I will tell you that by using only one variable you have to solve. Then which modification we do? Then by using only one variable, sir. Yes, sir, no problem. I take n, then I read a number, I delete control y. Now in the n, entered number is there. Here first is n, then n into n. That means first percentage d is for this n, this percentage d is for n into n. Similarly, cube you have to know, instead of cu, I write n into n. Okay. Now we solved it by using just one variable. Just run it, fine. Then also are getting. Means to write a program, n number of ways will be there. You have to decide. Don't think like that. My friend's program is correct, mine is wrong, mine is right, my friend's is wrong, teacher is right, myself is wrong, myself is correct, teacher is wrong. Not like that. You are the programmer. How do you develop? Left to you. Instead of enter a number, you can take like this. Dear user /n, can you please enter a number so that I can tell you square and cube of it. User friendly message, you can type it, no problem. Now run the program. Dear user, can you please enter a number so that I can tell you square and cube of it. Oh, it is very interactive software. I give 3. Square of 3 is 9, cube of 3 is 27. Even you can modify some more instructions, and you can use one more printf, then underscore or minus, just one line will be printed. Okay. Now I use /n here, minus or underscore, one line will be printed. It shows the result, one line it prints. Afterwards you can use one more printf /n developed by BLDs CET Vijaypur. Okay. Now run the program. Developed by BLDs CET Vijaypur. You can give your name and printf. Yeah, how do you develop software? You are the developer. Thank you for using this software. Thank you for using this software. Run the program. Thank you for using this software. You can use customer care number. Okay, you can use your phone number so that others can contact you. Like this, what we do, we develop a software. I hope everyone has understood. Okay, very good. Have a nice day. Take care. If you have any doubts, please contact. Please send the feedback. Thank you one and all. Take care.